Alright, the immersion dripper, as you can see, there's on and off button. I press it down. That's a lily drip right here. Okay, pepper filter, rinse it first. You need to rinse every single time you want to make a good cup of coffee. Alright, after rinsing, make sure you leave it up and bring about 17 grams of coffee, 250 grams of water. Okay, tell to 0. First bloom, start the timer. Since I'm using 17 grams, I'll make 45. Okay, 40 seconds. Just gently pour up to 250 grams of water. Immersion dripper. I would call this one no-brainer dripper. No-brainer coffee maker. Up to 250. Okay? Really right to the top. Right here. Wait until 2 minutes. Okay, 59, 2 minutes. Press it down. No-brainer coffee maker. Alright, it takes about 3 minutes to make a great cup of coffee. Thank you.